In the last video, I discussed general awareness strategy and aptitude strategy. Both the video links you will get in the comment section. And now in this video, we will discuss reasoning, how to prepare for reasoning and what are things you need to do, right? Form last date is 4th of September. If you didn't fill the form yet, then you can fill the form. Already I made the form filling video. You can watch that and you can fill the form. For phase 2, basically we are taking analogies, classification, code decoding, silox, ages and non-verbal reasoning. Now basically all the chapters which are there in your non-verbal reasoning, for example, paper cutting, paper folding, okay, then mirror image, counting figure, missing figure, okay. So all the things you will do in non-verbal reasoning part, and this is the phase 2 for your reasoning of IJ. Again, same book that I have suggested you in phase 1, that is R.S. Agarwal, you can use for all the chapters, okay. You can complete that. Those who are repeaters, just revise the chapters, whatever I named that, right. Then for practice, we will use our block-wise strategy. Currently, block 2 is going on in your success pack. So if you are seriously preparing for IJ exam, then you can join success pack. For all other graduates and for engineers, we have master success pack, so that along with IJ, you can target other exams also, right? And for exam level practice, our block test and mock test are enough. So no need to do any extra thing for that. So this is all about your preparation for phase 2. And now the main thing, that what level you can expect from IBPS this time, because first time IBPS taking the exam, and how much target you should set for this reasoning section. First important thing, 40 questions you will get, okay. This thing you know already, right? So see, now basically 99% paper will be easy to moderate and 1% chances are there that it will be moderate this time, okay. Definitely I will tell you the difference between those. So suppose if your paper is easy to moderate, then out of 40, 32 to 34 marks you can score in reasoning section, okay. And if it is moderate, then you can consider 25 to 28 marks out of 40. Now basically in reasoning, what will be the level? So see, if your paper is easy to moderate, okay, they will ask you 2 puzzle, and in puzzle basically 5 questions each they will ask you. So total 10 questions you will get from puzzle, okay. In moderate, they will increase the difficulty level also of puzzle, and one more puzzle they may add. So 3 puzzles you will get for 5 questions, means 15 questions you will get in your reasoning, okay, if paper is moderate. But if it's easy to moderate, then 2 puzzle, up to 2 puzzle you will get, and rest of the things like blood relation, then direction test, inequality, lots of things are there that you will get, okay. So this is the difference only, and I hope that now you understand that your target, okay. Definitely we will try to get more marks than this 28 and than this 34, right? But this is our target for reasoning. Now along with your preparation, how you can integrate our Telegram PDF, that I will tell you now. Before that, if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to the channel, very important, and then all the videos which I have uploaded so far you will get in the comment section, okay. Now in Telegram, basically you will use total 3 PDFs for reasoning. The first is daily puzzle, second is reasoning assignment, and the third PDF daily reasoning questions. Now if you are joining Telegram channel from now, so you have 2 options. Either you can follow Telegram PDF from today, or if you go to the file section of Telegram, then you will get all the files, and from 1st of August you can download the files and you can start the practice, okay. If you are fresher, then you can just start from today, or if you are repeater, you can start from 1st of August, right? Now if you see in front of you the Telegram channel, then the first PDF I will open in front of you, that reasoning assignment. Again, hashtag IJ, it should be there, right? You need to check that hashtag IJ, okay. So I am just opening quickly. So see, first whenever you will open our daily reasoning assignment, okay, then you will come and solve the questions whatever are there. Daily 10 questions are there, so solve the questions by yourself, and then after that you can check the detailed solutions are there, okay. So detailed solution you can check, and with the help of that you can make your preparation stronger, or you make your practice stronger for this exam, correct. So like this you will use our first PDF of reasoning. Then second, if I just scroll up little bit, then you can see the second PDF, and that is your daily reasoning questions, okay. Again, hashtag IJ you need to check, and here you will get daily 5 to 6 or 10 questions, okay. If puzzle is there, then definitely you can solve the puzzle. It is a part of puzzle, and other things are also there. Daily it will vary, right? So now here you can see one puzzle is given to you, from which 5 questions are asked, and 1 statement based questions are there, okay. Statement 1 and statement 2 means statement and conclusion, like that. So this 2 you will do, right? So this is the second PDF you will use, and the third and last PDF which you will use for your reasoning part to make it strong, that is puzzle. Now see, very much important thing, This puzzle PDF where you are getting daily puzzle, okay, is of moderate level. So as I told you earlier that if they will frame your paper in moderate level, then you should be prepared for that. Okay, it is not like, oh, you will just prepare till easy level and you will go to the exam. Till moderate level we need to prepare, because we want selection. Okay, we want merit list. So, right? So this is the thing you will understand, that this puzzle PDF you will solve daily, and you can see in front of you one puzzle is there and 5 questions I have asked you. So just read it properly daily, and daily you will solve one puzzle, and like this till your exam day you will solve daily puzzle. Okay, so suppose if you are getting 60 days, then 60 puzzle you will solve, and this much practice is enough for your reasoning section. Along with that, definitely blockwise strategy, and you will combine our mock test, and that's it. Okay, this is enough preparation is required to get to the merit list, correct? So like this you can prepare all the 3 PDFs for your reasoning section. The next video will be English. If you miss any of the video, in the comment section you will get the playlist also and links also. Watch all the videos, which is most important. Till now I uploaded general awareness, then aptitude, reasoning. Next will be English, and after that daily routine and study routine timetable. Okay, so that is also important. Subscribe to our channel, join Telegram channel. If you have any query, any doubt, you can comment down below. All the best.